Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics that matter. Check battery and disable airplane mode so radios can run. Open settings and go to location or privacy. This is where system toggles live. If the toggle is grayed out, restart the device now because a fresh boot often clears permission locks. Once done, verify the global location switch is on and then move into app-level permissions. You need both system and app consent for location to work reliably. You now focus on app-level settings and accuracy. Open the app list under location, pick each app and choose allow only while using the app or always if needed for background features. Next, enable high accuracy mode or GPS plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning so the device uses multiple signals. That reduces drift. If an app still fails, revoke its permission, force stop the app. Then relaunch and re-grant permission. That refresh often fixes stuff. Finish by ensuring software is current. Update the OS and the app, then clear the app cache to remove corrupted location data. Make sure no VPN or ad blocker is routing DNS that hides your location, and confirm carrier settings don't restrict location services. If problems persist, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. That resolves deep system corruption. One tip: if location seems off, toggle GPS plus Wi-Fi scanning and test in another app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.